Welcome back to Cedella TV. I am so excited for this video. Today I am going to be doing a little demo for you guys of basedSKIN. I have posted it a couple of times on my page, pictures that I've taken for them, vice versa, but today I have the products and I'm going to show you how they work. So, I have directions from the goddess herself, Camilla, step by step on how to use it. I'm going to try my best to use it to a T, so here we go. This cute little travel size package. I'm going to open it up. There's so many goodies in here. I have a hairband, which is going to be perfect for my hair right now because it's down. This is cleansing butter. I love cleansing butter. It's so great for your skin, so much better than using makeup remover that can strip your skin, it can dry your skin out. Cleansing butter is the way to go. And then I got a cleanser to actually clean my skin after I've taken off my makeup. Taking off your makeup is just the first step. A lot of people think, oh, I took off my makeup, so now I'm good. No, you took off your makeup, but you gotta clean your skin. There's stuff in your pores, it's nasty, it's gross. Girl, get that shit out. So then after that, I have the serum. The reason I like this serum is because it helps you create collagen for your skin, helping it develop itself, and that's the way you want to go. All of these products are going to put collagen into your skin, but your skin needs to produce its own collagen. And I have the moisturizer right here. So let's get into this. I'm so excited. And this is the first time I'm using all these products. All right. Here we go. Do this. Ooh, I like the way this feels on my head. I'm just going to go for this. Alright, so first things first, I have makeup on, I have lashes on. Full glam today with Camilla earlier on. First, I need to take off my makeup. So, lashes, so this is the cleansing butter. I have used other brands, and the reason I like it, like I said before, doesn't strip your skin. It's very moisturizing for your skin. I have dry skin. I'm always trying to add as much moisture as I can into my skin. It just comes right off. Okay, so she did instruct me not to use too much of this cleansing butter. These products are made to last, alright? So, what I'm going to do... So I went ahead and washed my hands again just for an extra time. If you're putting stuff on your face, you want everything to be clean, so just make sure you wash your hands. I'm going to start out with this sponge. Ooh, wow. Wow, I love... Okay, already, I love the way this product's... I feel it spreading around. Saw how much I used. I can even show you guys. You guys see that? That's how much I used, literally. Hardly even scooped any. See that? It got all over. Now I'm just gonna rub this in. I do want to let you guys know though, I don't have any eyeliner on today, which can make a difference with how much butter you need to use. Typically, I use the Kat Von D eyeliner. Everybody knows that literally doesn't come off. I still use cleansing butters for it before. I don't do anything. Just cleansing butter release, and it will come off. I will do another tutorial with this soon, and y'all can see everything. I do want to let you know I did have foundation, lots of concealer. I have eyebrows on right now. The water a little bit. I do like my water to be kind of warm for my skin. I don't want it too cold. I don't want it too hot. It's kind of like lukewarm. I think that's the best thing you can do for your skin. Let it wet. Squeeze it out a little bit. I'm going to do half of my face. Alright guys, so I'm back. My face feels clean, washed. I feel good. First things first, we're going to use the Rapid Producing Collagen Serum. This is child-proof, so make sure you push down, and if you need to open it, I'm going to stir it up a little bit. Anytime I use anything organic, I automatically stir. These are labeled. I'm going to use probably this amount. We'll see how much I actually want on my face when I put it on, but this is 0.5. So I like to just put it directly in my face. Put drops here, put drops here. Yeah, so pretty much 0.5 of a serum should be good for your face. Rub it in. And put it down to your neck. So got the serum on. Now I'm going to use something that does not come in this packet, and that is a jade roller. So I'm just gonna jade roll this in my skin. I usually try to do, like, I'll rub up and down, but I do try to use these upward motions because some of your skin on your face is faced downward. So when you push up into your skin, say it's downward and you're pushing up into the skin cell. So that is why you want to emphasize on the upward motion that you are doing when you jade roll your skin. And the best thing about a jade roller is that it doesn't absorb any of the product. It simply just pushes it right into your skin. I like to do it like this and like this, both ways, just to produce blood flow. Don't forget your neck. You don't have a jade roller, it's not a big deal. Just let the serum sit in your skin for a little bit. Because serum does have a tendency to just kind of not absorb immediately. Walk around, you know, do whatever you gotta do for like 5 minutes, then come back and it'll be all absorbed. Next, and the final step is the moisturizer. Now when it comes to the moisturizer, you don't want to use too much. Use this very sparingly, okay? It's gonna last you guys. Oh, and literally 1, 2, I'll put 3 on just because it's nighttime. There. That's it. Literally that's it. It's falling in between my fingers. So just get it in from in between your fingers if you don't want to lose product. And just put some here on your neck. Don't forget your neck. That concludes our skincare routine, guys. This is me. Alright. As you can see, I have no makeup on my face at this point. I am completely clean. I feel so fresh. I feel fresh. My face doesn't feel stripped. It feels moisturized. It feels good. It feels balanced. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today. I'm super excited to be presenting these products to you guys, and I hope you love them just as much as I do.